Anthony Furman here with the Rogue Anvil Grip Challenge. I'm using a 100-pound plate, a 25-pound plate, a 25-pound plate, a 10-pound plate, and a 10-pound plate, for which should be around 187. I have the Rogue loading pin and the Rogue Anvil, which is no more than 3 across, as per the thing, no more than 1.5 inches. And just for good measure, I'm gonna do this, because that's how I roll. And I'm gonna go down here, because I don't understand what diameter means. There we go. Boom. All right, here we go. Let's load her up. The inches. Oh, that's right, I gotta do the height. I forgot. Thank you, guys. All right. Yeah. And we have a length of, you got that on there? 30 inches. All right. We load. Chalk her up a little bit. Regular chalk. All right. Attempt number 1. That was a good lift? That was good.
Good lift.
All right. We measure it. Zeroed. $187.35. Big lift.